Hey everyone, Tim here. The week has finally come. The event is almost here. Saturday, 8 August, buying houses subject to all-day workshop. This is going to be an event that you're not going to want to miss. With the market the way it is, with the pandemic going on and not getting better, people unemployed, people not getting government assistance, the market is going to be overwhelming with the number of pre-foreclosure leads coming up. If you don't already have this tool in your REI toolbox, buying houses with no money, you need to get on board if you want to build a huge portfolio of properties and if you want to be able to help families prevent foreclosure and save their credit. So get on board, get over to the group website, www.westdfwreigroup.com. Click on calendar events, click on 8 August, get registered today, and we'll see you on Saturday for this all-day workshop. You'll have a free downloads link coming to you as soon as you register, and we will have forms as part of this workshop. Bring your deals. We're going to work as many deals real time in the event as possible, and we're going to help you make some money with this fantastic strategy. So again, if you don't have buying houses with no money in your toolbox, you need to get on board and take advantage of this opportunity. Saturday, 8 August from 09 in the morning till 5 p.m. or until we quit. So we'll see you then. Have a great day.